Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson we're going to go over terminal management. Now, the terminal is accessed from here, this button here, and if you just click that, you will get the terminal pop up. Now, you can adjust it if it's too small. You can just grab it from this double arrow, from this border here, just under the charts, and it'll turn to a double arrow. You can make it as big as you wish, and if it's too small for the amount of trades that are in there, then you've got the scroll bar as well. So there's a couple of things that you can do here. First of all, you can edit a trade. Obviously Trend Profiteer adds and modifies your trades, but it's always a great strength to have to be able to do this manually if you ever require it. So for example, if you just wanted to close these trades, I've got two positions open on this CAD yen that was taken here. This is just on a demo account that I use for training purposes. So if I wanted to get rid of one position because I didn't feel that it was going to continue to go downward in my direction, which is the way that I'm trading currently, I can just click the cross box next to the particular trade, and it'll close the trade for me. Okay, there. That's all you have to do now. Just bring this back down. And if you want to modify a trade, just click on that particular trade. You can modify or delete it. From here, you can close the order as well, or you could add a trailing stop. However, Trend Profiteer does all of that for you. But if you want to modify the order, just click Modify, and let's say in this case we don't think it's going to go in our direction. It doesn't look like it is. You never know. So we took some profit on the first position, and now I'm going to move my stop loss. So it is now the easy way to do it is to click the Copy As button, and that'll give us what the market price is currently. And let's say we sold at 82.77. So let's say I just moved this to 82.75, and if I click the modify button now, and you just watch this red line here, that is the stop loss that we're looking at modifying. We can, there you go, click OK. We've moved the stop loss. It's now locked in a couple of pips in profit, which at the very least takes care of our spread. And now we have one position that we took some profit on, and the other position that we've moved to basically the break even. So if it goes against us, we're not going to lose anything. If it goes in our favor, then fantastic. But the trend management that you have in place with Trend Profiteer, sometimes things just don't work out the way they're intended. So sometimes it's a good idea to be able to manually go in and modify those trades then and there. And that's all there is to it. So you really only use terminal management for the modifying of your trades. Of course, when you add new orders, they will appear in your terminal. From that point, or from this section, is where you can modify your trades to ultimately for the purposes of achieving good results. So that's all there is to it. Until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.